Good morning, students. You're ready for today's art lesson? Now, in my previous art lesson, I had taught you how to draw fruits. You remember? We made these and we also made pineapple and grapes. So, now what we are going to do, we are going to put these fruits on your plate. You know, children, fruits are so healthy. They are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. They give you fiber, they give you nutrition. They are good for your digestive system. They give you instant energy. They give you potassium and calcium. They are very rich source of proteins and fiber and vitamins. So, let's begin. Let's begin, children. Now, first of all, let me start with the pineapple. You remember how I told you? We make a oval. This time, I'm making my oval slightly diagonal. I'm not making a straight oval. Oval. After making the oval, let's make the leaves with this grass shape or like a crown on his head. Then the slanting lines from one side to other, from this side to that side, 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 from this side to that side. Now, V's to make the spiky texture that it has. Right? Now, let's make an apple. To make an apple, it's going to be smaller than your pineapple, children. Draw a C. Next, what are we supposed to do? Yes, draw a mirror image of the C and join like this. Make the stem and make a leaf with veins. Now, let's add an orange in the front. You remember orange? To make an orange, you just draw a circle which is open on the top and just draw a bump or a curve on the top. The texture on the orange, and orange has a oval leaf, I told you. Now, coming to our bananas. To draw the bananas, let's draw a long C, double, move around, join, bunch of bananas, one more, come back, join to the first banana, come back, join to the second banana. Now to make the peel, one line in the center. This is going to be the darker portion of the banana. How to make the stem with which it's attached to the tree? You make a double T like this. Now, children, let's draw grapes in this portion. You remember how we drew grapes with circles? More circles on top and lesser as we go down because it's a bunch. The second line will come in between the first two. And in the end, maybe just a single grape or just a half grape. Then, you remember, we have to make the stem again that attaches each grape. I just want to add one more on the side. It's looking a little empty. Done. Now, students, I am going to make the plate for you and you are going to make it for yourself. So, every day you should eat at least 2 fruits. Students, let's double the edges. And just remove the extra lines or the incorrect lines. I feel that it has become too thin over here. So I will just erase this part a bit and make this a little more